stuff, you know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. What's up, man? Fuck are we playing? Good, man.
Yo, bro, I was actually just watching your TikToks and I was like, God damn.
Make your videos, bro. Appreciate it. So good racing.
You've been racing like bars and everything that pulls up, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I said it's not feeling. It's not bad. She's 450 at the wheel. So, yeah, it's in a break, like 520 or something like that. Where you stay at? Like around PGA?
Cool, yo, so we're out here, we're chilling, you know what I'm saying? What's good? Hopefully everybody's cool being on camera. So, yeah, we're just chilling at the meet, you know what I'm saying? And bro over here is gonna do a project. You in high school?
Yeah, high school.
He's doing a high school project, so he decided to interview me just on the spot, you know what I'm saying? I'm nervous, shut the fuck up. Anyway, so yeah, man, what's your tag on IG?
Flaming Chicken 93.
Flaming Chicken 93, you heard it here first, no lie. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. Good. We're out here chilling, man. Hell yeah. Appreciate you guys tuning in and everything. What's good? I left the camera on. I don't know if you guys seen those kids, but they came and interviewed me on the spot. So that was pretty wild. That was wicked. It's pretty dope. Yeah, I was hella nervous. It was wild, but it was cool. That was really awesome. That was like, I guess, one of my first official interviews. You know what I'm saying? A little high school kid, you know what I'm saying? Cool dude. I'll make sure to put his tag and everything in the video. But yeah, that was pretty wild. That was awesome. Hell yeah. You guys watch out for this video, man. I'll post the stories and all that. You know, the footage when I edit it. Appreciate you guys coming through, you know what I'm saying, chopping it up for a little bit. I appreciate you guys, you know, for the questions and everything, you know. It was fun telling you guys about the build, for sure. Catch you guys in the next one.